Welcome to Jinju Flow. If you've clicked this video, it must mean you're dealing with a lot of pain in your shoulder blades, your neck. So let's relieve the pain. Take a deep breath in and out, relax your shoulders. Then begin to draw circles with your shoulders to the back. Just inviting some movement into this area, bringing heat and energy into it. Take it about 3 more times. Then reverse the circles, drawing your shoulders forward. Take deep breaths as you notice all the nooks and crannies of your shoulder joints. Then inhale, shrug your shoulders to your ears. Exhale, drop it down. Inhale, draw it up. Exhale, drop it down. Inhale, draw it up and hold. Exhale, drop it down. Now take a deep breath in and exhale, drop your chin down into your chest. Feel the elongation of your upper back and neck. Take a deep breath in and a deep breath out. Then inhale, draw your right ear to your right shoulder. Feel the stretch, the opening on your left side through your neck and shoulder. Deep breath in, deep breath out. Now extend your left arm to the side, opening your fingers wide. Press each and every finger into the ground. Notice how they connect all the way up to your shoulder and neck. Now take your right hand, place it on top of your head to gently pull, just adding a little weight and keeping your spine in the center. Try to relax your shoulders. Just one more breath. Then place your left hand a little bit more behind you and use your right hand to draw your face towards your right shoulder. This pulls more of the muscles in the left chest, the pectoralis muscles. Only pull as much as it feels good for you. Remember to keep your spine in the middle, relax your muscles. You can even add little movements with your head, looking up and down. Let your intuition guide you. Maybe just hold at those spots that feel extra good. Maybe you find the front side of your shoulder and neck a little tight. Breathe deeply into those spots. One more gentle breath and slowly release. Take a deep breath back in the middle and exhale, drop your chin down into your chest. Inhale, draw your left ear to your left shoulder. Opening through your right side, feel the sensations come. Just notice at first. Then extend your right arm to the side and press each and every finger into the ground. Notice the engagement it brings into your shoulder and neck. Take a deep breath in and a deep breath out. Now take your left hand, place it on top of your head and slightly pull for an even deeper stretch. Keeping your spine still centered and relaxing the muscles of your body. Notice how this feels compared to the other side. Is it easier? Is it harder? Then place your right hand a little further behind and draw your gaze a little bit towards your left shoulder. This will open up the front side of your shoulder, your chest, your neck. Feel free to slightly draw your chin up and down. See how that feels for you. Remember to hold in those spots that feel a little tighter and breathe deeply into it. We're often hunching our shoulders, and the muscles in our front neck and our chest get really tight and weak. So really try to open through your heart. One more deep breath in Deep breath out, release. And one more time, take a deep breath in. Exhale, drop your chin down into your chest. Then interlace your fingers, place your palms behind your head, dropping your elbows down at shoulder width distance, and breathe as you feel a stretch in your upper back and neck. Then slowly draw your elbows up to the ceiling. Inhale. And exhale, drop your elbows down, rounding through your spine. Inhale, lift your elbows up to the sky. Exhale, round the spine, look down, lift through your navel. Inhale, back up. Exhale, back down. Keep going, moving with your own breath. Keeping your elbows aligned with your shoulders. Notice how this feels for your shoulder blades. On your next breath, flip your palms up to the sky. Press your chest forward and really reach up as high as you can. Squeeze the shoulder blades behind you and slowly drop your chin down. Keep a tight grip through your fingers. Begin to open your elbows wide. Hands not touching but behind your head. Take a couple breaths here. Really engage through your upper back muscles. Slowly, lean your head back towards your palms, pushing your chest forward, elbows out wide. Really try to lean as far back as you can without falling. Take a deep breath in. Exhale, draw your elbows together, round the spine. Inhale, open your elbows, push your chest forward. Exhale, round. Inhale, open. Exhale, close. Inhale, open. 2 more times. Exhale, inhale. Exhale, and this time inhale, open and hold. Take a deep breath in and a deep breath out. Release your hands and turn over onto your hands and knees. Open your knees wide, sit back on your heels, and slide your hands forward and rest your belly, chest, and chin onto the ground. If this feels uncomfortable for your neck, place your forehead down. Take a couple breaths here as you open through your underarms and the sides of your waist. To go a little deeper, crawl your fingers forward. Lift your hips up a little. For an even deeper sensation, coming to a full puppy pose, align your knees to hip-width distance and crawl your fingers forward again. Take deep breaths wherever you are, really elongating your spine with every inhale and softening your chest deeper into the earth with every exhale. Wherever you are, press your fingers into the earth. Lift your wrists up, creating 2 little tents with your hands. Keep a tight grip through your fingers and press your fingers down as you lift your chest up and look towards your thighs. Then slowly bring your chest down and look up. Exhale, round the spine and look down. Inhale, release your chest and look up. Keep going. I know this may be a little challenging at first, but slowly you'll get the hang of it. Just play around with it. See how this feels for your body. On your next breath, lay your arms down. Press your elbows into the ground, then press your hands together and lift them as high as you can. This is also something you can do with blocks underneath your arms, or even a table or a bed with your elbows on top and your chest hanging low. Just one more breath wherever you are. Then slowly release your hands and sit back on your heels in child's pose. Rest your forehead down and feel the release in your lower back, your shoulders. And when you're ready, circle your arms to the back and interlace your fingers behind you. Squeeze your shoulder blades tight. And on your next breath in, press your hands, your arms up towards the ceiling. Stay here or roll onto the crown of your head, lifting your hips off your heels. Really keep the engagement throughout your shoulders, your elbows, your fingers. And find a nice stretch throughout your trapezius muscles, the muscles that connect from your neck to your upper back. Count 3 breaths here on your own. Long inhales, long exhales. Slowly roll back onto your forehead, sitting back on your heels, and release your arms down by your side. Just take a moment here to release and let go. Then slowly roll on back up to a kneeling posture and come to a tabletop position with your hands underneath your shoulders, knees underneath your hips. Then extend your left leg out to the side in line with your hip and begin to sway back and forth, finding the stretch in your inner left thigh. Easing into this sensation. For a deeper stretch, sit all the way back. On your next breath in, shift back up onto your hands. Place your right hand to the side in line with your knee and circle your left arm up and over your head. Then take it all the way around. Take big circles with your left arm in our easy side plank. Then reach your left arm up and over towards the right, opening all throughout your left side. Then slowly shift your hips back. Bring your right ankle forward. Sit onto the ground with your left leg extended to the side. Place your left hand on the ground and reach your right arm up and over your head for a nice side body stretch. Really press your right sitting bone into the earth and open through your heart. Then slowly inhale, come back up. Flip your right thumb downward. Fold your right arm behind your back and place your left hand on the outside of your right thigh. Twisting over, looking past your right shoulder. Use your inhales to grow tall and exhales to twist deep. Really try to open through your left shoulder, reaching your right hand as far back as you can. One more breath. And slowly return to center. Now slide your right knee forward and fold your left leg over your right leg. You can also sit on a pillow or a block or folded blankets, and you can also just leave your legs down on the ground. Do what feels good for your hips. Then inhale to reach your arms above your head, interlace your fingers and open your elbows wide. Lean back just for a moment. Then take your left hand down onto the ground away from your midline. Push your right elbow up to the sky, bending over to the left. Feel a stretch from your right hip to your waist, to your underarm, all the way to your elbow. Take deep breaths here. I know there's a lot going on with our legs, with our arms, and our spine, but trust the process. You're going to feel amazing. Slowly come back up. Place your right hand on your upper back. Flip your left thumb down and fold your left arm behind your back. Reach for your fingers. And don't worry if you can't grip your hands together. Just this general direction should help your shoulders out incredibly. Wherever you are, just focus on your breath. This is a great way to find pain relief for your shoulders and also create strength and mobility. Stay here, or if you'd like a deeper stretch, fold over your legs. Even if you don't have the grip through your fingers, you can try this out. See how that feels. One more breath wherever you are. And slowly release. Release the top arm first and then the bottom. Amazing. Let's do the other side. So coming back onto your hands and knees, extend your right leg out to the side. Begin to sway back and forth and find a stretch in your inner thigh. Feel free to sit back for a deeper stretch. Then slowly take your left hand to the side in line with your knee and reach your right arm up and over, creating circles towards the back. And then reach your right arm up and over your head, stretching from the tips of your right hand to your heel. Then slowly shift back, slide your left knee out, and keep your right leg extended. Place your right hand on the ground and left arm up and over your head for a side body stretch. Really press your left sitting bone into the ground and open through your heart. Then inhale, come back to center. Flip your left thumb down and place the back of your hand behind you. Place your right hand on the outside of your left thigh and twist over, looking past your left shoulder. Inhale to grow tall, and exhale, use your left hand to reach a little further back. Follow your breath, deep inhales and deep exhales. One more deep breath in and deep breath out, return to center. Now slide your left knee forward and fold your right leg over your left thigh. Make the adjustments that you need. Then inhale, lift your arms, interlace your fingers behind your head. Take deep breaths as you lean back and open through your chest. One more deep breath in and exhale. Place your right hand down to your side and lift your left elbow up to the ceiling, really opening through your left side from your hip, waist, all the way to your left elbow. Deep inhales and long exhales. One more breath. Then slowly come up. Slide your left hand down between your shoulder blades. Flip your right thumb down. Fold your right arm behind you and reach for your fingers. Notice how this side feels on both your shoulders. Be extra kind and gentle with yourself. You're doing amazing just showing up and taking the time to care for your body. You can stay here or begin to lean forward, regardless of if you have your grip or not. Just the general direction should help your shoulders a lot. Take a deep breath in and a deep breath out. On your next inhale, slowly rise and release your arms, the top arm first and then the bottom arm. Amazing job. Unravel your legs now. Pick your knees up into your chest, wrap your arms around and rest your forehead down. Maybe on your forearms or your knees. Just take a little moment to be with yourself here, to appreciate your body and all that it does for you. Know that you are so worthy to love and care for your body, to let go of those things that no longer serve you. Let's take a few cleansing breaths together. Take a deep breath in through your nose, open mouth, sigh it out. Deep breath in through your nose, open mouth, let it all go. One more time, deep breath in through your nose, open your mouth and let it all go. Slowly pick your head up. Beautiful job today. I hope your shoulders, your neck, your shoulder blades feel super good, super light. Please take a moment to subscribe or share this video with anybody who might also need it. See you next time.